What is involved with ongoing website maintenance? You can thank Jay Bruce for today's question. You can find his website at midwestlawnpro.com. It is a lawn crack / optimized website. And yeah, man, so I thought this was a great question. Kind of felt bad I hadn't just kind of told all of my clients this from the get-go, so I'll make sure everybody gets wind of this. But ongoing website maintenance, like what's involved, what's the cost, all this kind of stuff is what I'm gonna try to cover as thoroughly as I can in 5 minutes. So what's involved? So we're building WordPress websites. The majority of websites on the internet are WordPress. So one thing you need to know about a WordPress website is it needs to be updated. It's literally as simple, quick, and easy as logging in and hitting the update button. It's updated, done. So that you want to keep your website updated just to make sure nothing appears broken on the front end of your screen as things upgrade and new versions come out. Some of the old versions are broken. It'll look broken on the front end, so you need to update to make sure that doesn't happen. And the other reason is security issues. So we have been going in and updating our client sites, but we cannot continue to do this forever, especially with how many sites we have under our umbrella now. It's just way too much, and we're not charging for this. And I mean, it's not something we would charge a lot for, but it's not even something we're interested in doing because it's so easy to do. So you just log in, you hit update, and update the website. That's really it as far as on your website. I did also want to go over real quick, like what are ongoing costs of a website. So if you build your website yourself, it's potentially free. I really can't recommend building your website yourself. I don't think it'll ever get found. It's not going to convert visitors like a professionally built website would, and stuff like this. But what are the ongoing costs if you do want to do this yourself? Basically, you have to renew the domain, and you have to keep your website hosted somewhere. So it's a nominal cost. We host and renew domains for our clients, and we charge $175 per year. If you look around, you can find it cheaper, but then it would be on you. If your website went down, if you forget to renew your domain, your website disappears, it may be gone forever. We're on a VPS, which means ours is more secure than these really cheap shared plans. Ours is faster, so there's numerous reasons why we're on this and why we pay a little more ourselves and charge a little more for it, because it's a better server for your website. So that's why we do it, and that's it. But there's really no ongoing cost as far as anything else. I mean, you need to renew the domain and you need to keep it hosted somewhere. So there's fees for that, but that's it. So there's this a nominal fee to keep a website up on the internet after it is built. Since we have a little extra time in our 5-minute window, I did want to just throw out some things that you should be doing. If you have a website built for you, what should you be doing on an ongoing basis? You should start a blog on your website, 100%. You should write on what you think your customers could possibly be Googling about, and they'll find it, and you have some content on it. They appreciate it. They look at you as an expert at this point, and they realize they don't want to do it themselves, and then they contact you. And even if nobody ever reads your blog, the SEO benefits would be immense. I highly recommend put words on the pages, post them as posts on your WordPress site. If you need some help with this, I can make a video on this. I'm going to on the Optimized channel. But I would blog, I would get your citations up. These are places like Thumbtack, Home Advisor, Yelp, Angie's List, Super Pages, Yellow Pages, did I say that? Freaking Monta, Hot Frog, Axiom, Info Group, etc., etc. There's a ton of them. You want to get at least 100 of them. Get 100 of them. That's a service we offer. Reviews. You need to get at least one Google review, or in my opinion, Google is just going to basically ignore your business. Get one 5-star Google review, and make it a goal to get 10 plus Google reviews. will have you ahead of the game in most markets, and Google will reward you by putting you in the snack pack and putting you on the first page towards the top. So that's it. We're getting a little long. Look in the description for more information. I'd love to hear anybody else's thoughts as far as what they have to say of what you should be doing to your website on a monthly basis. Until the next video, you already know, keep making money.